Grace, what are you doing? Are you cleaning up? Clean up. Yeah, clean up. And are you carrying around your blocks? Clean up. Good job. You're a professional walker, aren't you? Clean up. Clean up. Thank you. Good job. Bye-bye. You're strong. Clean up. Clean up. It's a lot easier to walk if you do that. Yeah, you can walk. Remember? Yeah. If you can carry your box of blocks, you can do it with one of them.